Time to eat, everybody. This is actually one of my favorite meals. I have a lot of favorite meals in the Philippines. But I also love spaghetti. The spaghetti is so good. I know it's very loud in here, man, so it's sucking. But the spaghetti tastes a little different here in the Philippines. It tastes really good. I can't remember if I liked it when I first got here now, but I love it now.
Si Manding,
I guess they were having a slumber party here last night.
Yay! Wow!
And I hope someone will drink coffee with me. Coffee is much better with friends. So KJ, you're KJ. Mentor is KJ. That means killjoy. That means not having a good time.
Watching me, I go out. They can't give it out on me right now. What you want? You head up, you head up, I go right now. Oting Gangnam Style.
Oting
Gangnam Style. Unang Gangnam Style. Yeah, sexy lady.
And I think it's a meaningful song for Mantoy because I'm pretty sure he's very close to his family, close to his dad too. They're always very supportive of him. I'm using a fork. I normally use a spoon, but I used a fork this time. What was that?
Sounds of relief.
Sounds of relief.
Face of depression.
To get my way, I would run from here to here. It made me love just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. And finally make me do just what my mama said. Better than night when I was asleep. He left a dollar under my sheet.
I'm a happy guy.
No one praying for much to
Very good. Everyone's watching an Indian movie. I don't know if it's a coincidence, but one of Filma's online friends mentioned that he's from India and he likes Indian movies. That's the same guy that played in the movie Ayn Khan. I guess he's a famous actor. And the group is cooking some hot cake. Now, whenever they cook hot cake, they use royal. I guess there's no royal left, but it's an orange soda. I missed a few of your screams, but what's all the screaming about?
It's the bomb.
350 meters, perfect!
So the group just got done with their movie marathon. Now, how many movies did you watch, Femma? Because that was such a long time.
Only one.
Only one? But that was like 4 hours, right? If you could summarize a movie in one sentence, what would it be?
Summarize or
Summarize in one sentence. Just explain in one sentence.
don't be afraid to love. Love can kill the bomb. So touching. It's nice and like a story about love.
I don't even know what's the title of that because I can't read the title of Jab Tak Hai Jaan. I do not know what's this.
Okay, so for the grand finale, in one sentence, what is this movie about?
Oh yeah, the movie is so nice. The ending like so different from the other Indian movie that I've seen before, because more on the Indian movie that I've been seeing, like the ending is the partner, maybe the girl died or the boy died, but this time they made it a lovely couple, they live happily ever after. Oh my god.
I think that's a paragraph, not a sentence.
Yeah, but I made it into a paragraph than a sentence because a sentence is small. I love it. I love this movie. Oh, see.
And the title of the movie is Jab Tak Hai Jaan. Now, I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, but it's starring, it's a Yash Chopra romance. I wonder how he's related to Deepak Chopra.